Umme Thurman is a model and a celebrated actress who started her career in the year 1985. She is known for playing different characters in several movies. Whether it is a romantic flick or a comedy one, she goes deep into the character and gives the perfect shot. Thurman gained fame for her roles in epic movies like Pulp Fiction, Kill Bill, and Batman and Robin. Early life. Karuna Thurman was born in the year 1970 on 29th April. There is an interesting story behind her name. Uma basically means a splendor of light, whereas Karuna means empathy. She was born in Massachusetts. Modeling is in her blood because her mother Nena is a high fashion model. Nena was just 17 years old when she moved to New York to become a top model. Thurman has 3 brothers and a half sister from her father's first marriage. Uma's father, Robert Alexander Farrar Thurman, is an academic writer and lecturer of Indo-Tibetan Buddhist studies. She comes from an educated and talented family. Did she make her parents proud? There is no shade on doubt in that. She was born in a home where Dalai Lama was an occasional guest. In fact, the names of her brothers and sisters are derived from Buddhist mythology. Personal life. In the year 1990, Uma Thurman married Gary Oldman, an English actor. Whom she met in the sets of State of Grace. The marriage did not last for long, and they got divorced in 2 years. In the year 1998, Uma married Ethan Hawke. They have 2 children, but they got separated in the year 2003. Uma Thurman started dating R. Paid Bosson, who is a French financier. She is not married to him, but they have a child. She got custody of the daughter and is currently a single mother. Age, height and weight. Being born on 29 April 1970, Umme Thurman is 52 years old as of today's date, 14th May 2022. Her height is 1.8 meter tall and weight is 64 kg. Career. Umme Thurman dropped out of the institution to pursue a career in acting. Her body frame was perfect for being a model, and so she did not let the opportunity go out of her hands. Awards and achievements. Umme Thurman is a renowned actress who has been nominated in innumerable award functions. Her beauty and charm managed to win millions of hearts. She has millions of fans across the globe and continues to be a favorite. Uma Thurman won the Best Actress Award at the Gotham Awards function. She won the Southern and Empire Award for her role in the Kill Bill Vol. 1 movie. The actress has seen many ups and downs, but she has always shined through. Net worth and salary. As of May 2022, Uma Thurman has a net worth of $50 million. She has accumulated all this wealth through her successful acting and modeling career. A girl who hailed from Boston, Massachusetts, made it big in the Hollywood industry in a short span of time.